Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Descript to Avidemux for quick transcode, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and ensure that both Descript and Avidemux are installed. Launch Descript on your desktop. Import the audio or video file you wish to transcode. Once the file is loaded, edit it as necessary. After editing, select the segment you want to export. Click on the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down, choose Export. In the export settings, select the desired format that is compatible with Avidemux. If necessary, adjust the quality settings to your preference. Click the Export button to save the file to your computer. Next, open Avidemux. In Avidemux, go to the File menu located at the top left. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location where you saved your exported file from Descript. Click on the file and then select Open. Verify that the video or audio loads correctly in Avidemux. Now, go to the Output Formats section in Avidemux. Choose the format you want for your final output. Configure any additional settings, such as video codec or audio options. Once everything is set, click on the File menu again. Select Save from the drop-down menu. Choose your desired location to save the transcoded file. Name the file appropriately and click Save. Wait for Avidemux to complete the transcoding process. After finishing, check the output file to ensure everything is in order. You have now successfully connected Descript to Avidemux for quick transcoding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.